Hello superstars, you're welcome back to the channel. Guess what? In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make thousands of naira using OP. There are most things that you guys don't know about this app called OP. That is why in today's video, thanks for the opportunity YouTube have given to me, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn thousands of naira using this OP. Trust me, it is legit, real and working. Please, I want you to stick with me to the end of this video and follow each instruction I'm going to be sharing in this video so that we make thousands of naira. If you're new to the channel, you just came across the channel right now, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and if you're a returning subscriber, please give this video a thumbs up. Please, I want to get my channel monetized so that I can add some new features to this YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this video. Please like this video and subscribe. If you have any question, I encourage you to leave it down there in the comment section. So this OP you guys are seeing right here is a very powerful website. Most of you guys don't know this OP is a very powerful website. That's why I'm going to be exploring how you can earn thousands of naira with this OP. Now once you download the OP is available for both Android user and iPhone users. So once you download it, you create an account on OP. To create an account on OP is actually free and it is for Nigerians. I don't know, I'm not sure it's available for other countries, but it is available for Nigeria. So Nigerians, take good advantage of this opportunity and I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. I have made money with this and that's why I want you to make money exactly with this. Okay, my balance is not showing because of internet and I'm going to block my my balance. Okay, so let me show you exactly how you can earn money online. Now once you come over to this OP platform, you're going to be seeing a lot of this, but we are not going to be making use of any of this. What we are just going to be making use of is this part where it says reward. Okay, if you don't want to make use of this part where it says reward, you will still make use of this part where it says me. Is this part we are going to be using to make money online. So first you're going to be clicking on this part where it says me. So once you click on that part, scroll down, and then find for this part where it says refer friend. Do not click out of this video. Yes, I'm going to be teaching you how to get much friends to refer. Yes, I'm going to be showing you the trick I use in getting more friends to refer. The trick I use in getting more friends to register on OP. And once they register on OP using my referral link, I get paid hugely. Like, I'm not talking of 10 friends, I'm not talking of 20 friends, I'm talking of hundreds of friends. Yes, I'm going to show you exactly. I'm an online hustler and I'm going to be showing you exactly the way I do that. Now once you click on refer friends, okay, it's going to be bringing you okay, let's just wait for the internet a little. Please like this video, please like this video, it's going to really help. Please like the video. Okay, now this is exactly what you're going to see, and I hope you're seeing it right there. It says refer and earn. Invite one new user and you get 600 naira, and that your new user has the possibility of getting 8,250 naira welcome bonus. Now this is it. Now once you invite that your friend and then he puts 1,000 naira into his account, you get paid 600 naira. Exactly. Once you share a link and invite your friend accepts your invitation, and he puts in 1,000 naira into his account, you get 600 naira. Exactly, that's what this does actually mean. Now once you come over to the refer section, you're going to be seeing this part where it says share link and now once you click on that, I think it's going to bring you up to where you are going to be sharing the link. Okay, I think it's going to bring you up to where you're going to be sharing the link. Okay, as you can see, you can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook or SMS, any other platform. Okay, please use my referral link when you want to download OP and put in 1,000 naira. My referral link is in the description box. Now, how will you earn money with this exactly? That's what I want to teach you, how to get many people to register using your link and then you get paid. Now I have what they call a referral a referral done for you work. That referral done for you work is just the copy and paste work you really need to have if you want to get referrals. Yes, it's a done for you work. Now let me go over to my Google Drive. I'm selling this for just 3,500 naira, and I promise you that if you can buy this course, or if you can buy this using my affiliate link, you are going to get everything you really need to know about doing referrals and how to get people to register for your work. As you can see, it's right there, framework to sell get referrals. So using this framework, you're going to get as much referrals as possible. Just check down there in the description box and purchase this framework. Go to the framework, it's just 47 pages. Go through it. All you have to do is just to come here, learn everything I'm teaching you here, and then you go back and practice it. Once you practice it, you're going to see many people hurrying you. Some of them will be calling you by 12 a.m. self to like they want to register for OP. They want to register for OP just for you purchasing this done for you course. So check out the link down there in the description box. Follow once you have purchased it, follow each and everything that is in this framework, and you are gonna see the results. I hope this video was quite educative. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.